Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with another Python project, and this is email slicer, which extracts username and domain name from an email. So let's start this by understanding this code. So here firstly we import tkinter as tk. So this creates the GUI, and message box is imported to show pop-up alerts for errors. And here in this function is called when the user clicks the slice email button, and entry.get fetches the text entered by the user, and the .strip function removes any leading and trailing space. So here in this if statement, this is the basic validation. An email must contain @ and dot in email, and if it passes we move to slicing the email. Then in this try block here, email.split, this splits the email into username before @ and domain after the @, and result.set, here this updates the result label with the sliced information. Now we'll handle the errors. So here in this except block, if split @ fails, for example multiple @ symbols, it shows a pop-up error that error invalid email format. Or else, if the email doesn't contain @ or dot, it shows another pop-up that error, please enter a valid email address. And now we'll create the window. So in this tk.tk, this initializes the main window, and title sets the window title, this sets the email slicer, and geometry, which is sets the geometry window size, which is 400 into 200. And now we'll add the label for input. So here this label displays a text prompt from the user that enter your email, and the font is Arial and font size is 12. And here pack and padding 5, this positions the label and adds vertical padding to 5. And now here we are creating a button. So tk.button creates a button, and this button would be an entry button which allows the user to type their email, whose width is 40. And this button creates a clickable button, and command is equals to slice email. This links the button to the function, and background color is light blue. And here at last we'll display the result. So here string var function, this holds the dynamic result text, and text variable is equals to result, this links the label to this variable, and fg is equals to green, this sets the green color to green, and root.main loop, this starts the GUI and waits for the user interaction. So now let's see what output does it gives. So as you can see, so the output, now let's enter a valid email address. So here we have entered a valid email address which contains @ and dot. So let's see its output. So we can see the username is pythoncoding, and the domain is gmail.com. And now let's see one more time by entering a wrong email address. So I have entered the wrong email address, and let's see what output does it gives. So as you can see, this gave an error pop-up that please enter a valid email address. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.